Hi guys, it's Baylor, and today we're going to be making slime again, but this time we have special beads. Clear slime, but I noticed I don't want to make transparent slime, I want to make clear slime. So we got the borax and we're going to make yellow clear slime. And so what stars right here. Nice sprinkly stars. So once again, first we have to add the glue. And I don't want to make a lot of glue. Oh yeah, and I have Callie making slime with me today. So first, what we're gonna do, Callie, is we're gonna get the glue. Yep. So first we're gonna get the glue, and this is ideal for slime making.
Ooh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want to.
So we're gonna make a little more than last time.
Yeah.
So first we gotta add some of the food dye.
Yeah.
Now my first time making slime.
Do
Okay, ready? So Callie's gonna help. You gotta squeeze it a little. See how? Okay. So I'll drop a drop. Yep. Just stir this. Hopefully it'll get a nice pretty yellow, right, Callie?
Yeah.
I'm sorry you guys can't see her. My camera's not big enough. Okay, I really have a feeling that you can put. I feel like when you stir clear glue, it turns into slime. So that was a little crazy, but this is kind of turning into slime already. So next, I think we're gonna add. No, we don't need one more drop. Okay, so this is the. It actually kind of looks kind of green.
Yeah.
Good for slime. Yeah, it looks kind of green, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Alright, so now we're gonna only add a teeny bit of this. So still a lot, but just not the whole thing.
Yeah, that's
probably good.
Yeah.
Yep.
Can
So
I
here
stir it
is.
this time?
Let her stir a little.
Okay, let her stir a little.
There you go, stir it.
Good. Okay, so now we have all the stuff stirred in.
Yeah.
I think it's time to make
Put
it
it-
actually slime.
Put it right here.
No, we can't put it in the borax solution. Oh, I spilled a little.
It's okay.
Okay.
Why did you fill it up?
Sorry, because it said 1 cup.
Watch out. Let's clean this up.
You got half a teaspoon. Okay, it's about turning into slime.
Yes, it
Here
is.
it goes. Kind of turn it. And this is only half a teaspoon, so it's not a lot, but still kind of turning into slime. So we're probably going to add another, more than a teaspoon at least, to make this slime. So it's already turning into slime a little. It reminds me of boogers.
Okay.
So the slime is going well.
Maybe.
Ooh, you
in
can feel the sparkle. It's still very sticky. So hopefully this will...
Maybe in the next dance we can make blue slime. We go down.
Yeah, isn't blue your favorite color?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this time we made yellow, which is my favorite.